Shaking without clothes, the window gives me rain. Arms soaked from swimming on a boat in the freeway. I am collecting pages like you were giving them out. Interpret, inconvenience. I run out of words. My mind is racing, but only of different colors, mainly black and green, sometimes brown. Sometimes I think of nothing at all. I don't ever think of you. Lifetimes away, these have nothing to do for you. I have given you up. I am a drop of rain. An evening in Seattle.